for a high pressure fitting that is built to last? The Parkrimp 10C48-12-6 is designed for reliable performance in demanding hydraulic system. The 45-degree elbow fittings features a female metric swivel connection, ensuring a secure and leak-proof seal. Compatible with a 9.5mm hose diameter, it handles a maximum pressure of 630 bar. The steel body offers excellent durability, while the tube outside diameter of 12 mm and a fitting length of 69 mm, making it perfect for tight space and complex assemblies. Built to handle the toughest environments, this fitting is your to-go choice for high-pressure hydraulic system. It is perfect for applications in pneumatic, automotive, construction, agriculture, and industrial machinery. This fitting delivers reliable connections and performance. Ready to upgrade your system today? Visit us at www.offshoredimensionsparkerstore.com or call us at 0909-482-1645. Or you can also send us an email at sales@offshoredimensions.com to secure your fittings today and boost your system performance.